Hey, Dawn.
Hi.
What's up? You look so cute, too. What do you want to ask Ian?
Well, I, like so many women, have had years and years of lots of bright-colored nail polishes and acrylics and fancy this. Well, now when I take it off, I have ugly yellow fingernails. Is this serious? Have I done something wrong?
So
Can you repair fingernail damage? Or?
you can. Let me just start by saying that this looks fine. In most
This
cases,
doesn't look bad at all.
In most cases, people have yellowing fingernails because of the polish or the polish remover, which we'll talk about in a second. But remember something about fingernails. Fingernails are actually sometimes the windows to the body's health. And so there are disease processes that could be happening internally that could be reflective if your nails are splitting, if they're clubbed, if they're ridged.
What is a splitting nail?
Deficiency. So they're kind of vitamin deficiencies. Yeah. So they're different
And
things.
ridges, too? That could be some sort of vitamin deficiency.
Sometimes,
I did not know that.
Yeah, sometimes oxygen deprivation, if you're not getting enough oxygen, you're anemic, it could happen. So you should pay attention if you have these kind of things. In your case, it's probably related to your nail polish, and I want to explain to you why. So I have a little thing here. We're going to bring this up.
Here, let me move some of this down.
Okay, so this is your nails are porous, believe it or not. And even though they're hard, your nails actually have pores. And I wanted to show you what I mean by that. This is your nails under a microscope. And these are the cells of your nails that are tightly stacked together. But you notice that there are little holes in there. You can't see that with your naked eye. And so what happens is sometimes...
Can the polishes or the gels?
There you go.
I get it. Bust them apart. Separates them.
Or pours through. Okay,
and it's like
underneath.
clogged pores in your nail.
Absolutely, absolutely. So what happens is the nail polish can do it, and when you use a nail polish remover, it can actually make the nail polish go in even further.
Oh.
Yes, so even though you have the nail polish coming off, you now have this residual yellowing, this staining here, because it's embedded in there. Here's the good news, though. You can do something about it. So one thing you do is you take some toothpaste, some whitening toothpaste that has some hydrogen peroxide.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely.
That makes sense. Why not?
Yeah.
Your teeth are porous. Why not?
A little hydrogen peroxide, and you simply just brush it like so.
Brush it, brush it, brush.
Brush, right, like that, for a few minutes. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then wash it away, okay? If that doesn't work, and sometimes it may not work, then you go a little deeper.
A little stronger, hydrogen peroxide?
That's right. Take a half a cup of water. Take about 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Put them right in here for me. Oh, okay, that's fine.
You put it in the bigger bowl, and then it won't splash all over.
Okay, so you put it in here. You mix it up, okay, and you
she
simply...
could give her nails a soak.
Yeah, you soak them in there for about 3 or 4 minutes, okay? And then once you're done soaking...
Here, sweetheart.
Once you're done soaking, then you also take the brush and you can
hit them with the brush.
Hit them with the brush, absolutely.
That's easy enough.
Okay.
Like your teeth.
I can do that.
You can do that, right?